With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Find the median of, this is a series given, and if 26 is replaced by 62, what will be the new median? So the question is divided into two parts. First of all, we need to find the median of this series. Then the second case says if 26 is replaced by 62, then we need to find the new median. So first of all, while finding the median, the very first step is to arrange in the ascending order. Arranging in ascending order, we get 17 comes first, then 26, then comes 29, 32, 33, 34, 45, 56, and the last term is 60. And the second step is to count the number of observations. So if we count the number of observations, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So count of observations equals to 9. Now we know that the median is the middlemost observation. So from here, so median equals to fifth observation, and fifth observation from here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 33 is the median. Now if we talk about the second case, which is if 26 is replaced by 62. So let us again rearrange the series in the ascending order. It would be 17, 29, then 32, then comes 33, then it would be 34, then 45, 56, 60, and there, since 26 is replaced by 62, so the last term would be 62. Now again, if we talk about the number of observations, here we have the number of observations are same, which is 9. So for the odd term, the median is the middlemost observation. So from here we can say, so new median equals to fifth observation, and which comes out to be, fifth observation here is 34. So 34 is the new observation, and the median of this series would be 33.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.